Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box if you have put it back as you have inserted the SIM card. Then you should have here a little white box. You remove it like this, and on the other side you will find the SIM ejection tool. If you don't have it anymore, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool. But please take care that you don't use the hole here, which one is next to the SIM tray, because this is a microphone. So please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool, enter the hole in the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And on the top of the SIM tray you will find the SIM card, and on the other side you can enter now the microSD card. By the way, you are also able to insert a second SIM card here on the SIM tray on the other side, but then you have to decide between a second SIM or a microSD card. In our case, we want to enter a microSD card, so that place should be free. Enter it like this. You will hear a little click noise if it's inserted. There it is. And the contacts are on the top, as you can see. And in general, this is how it should look like. Okay. If it's well inserted, enter the SIM tray again in the phone, the SIM card. So the first one is here on the top, also to the display side. Close the SIM tray well, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, like to transfer data now from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you want. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.